16 Long Manor Drive. Upon initial inspection, insurance company came up here, did not find damage on the back slope. I came here the same day after the insurance company. You know, there isn't any noticeable damage. I did come all the way to the end of the gable over here, and I found one shingle that anybody could have missed, really. It's creased right here. It just looks like a normal shingle until you really look at it. So we're going to attempt to do a repair. The metrics of the shingles that I'm using is different from the metrics of this shingle here. We got a report saying that the shingle is no longer available that's on this roof right now. So, nevertheless, this one's already popped up. Alright, so there's the end of our shingle. Alright, the only thing I'm a little worried about is getting up to that ridge, so hopefully I don't have to mess with the ridge cap because that's something I do today. I don't like that. Just tearing through the shingle a little bit. Out these bad boys. See this one creasing already, right here. Shingle in. No. All right, we on? Awesome. All right, so we got got the shingle in here after I dropped the roof snake. You can see this shingle is a little bit smaller than this shingle here. The glue strip, I had to push it up just to line up so it matches with the glue strip. Also, you can already see some slight creasing in these shingles here. Here. I'm doing a repair. Now I'm gonna nail this bad boy in. Here we go. For the sake of time, I only got one nail to put back in. Here, just again real quick, get a close up on this. I was not bending those shingles back at all, just enough to find the nail. And real quick, before we end this video, I just want to show the front slope of where the repair was written for. I tarped in the meantime to see if we can get the shingles. But in order to do that repair here, number one, I got to manipulate these shingles. This is a closed, open cut valley right here. I actually have to manipulate these shingles and the shingles going onto the gable just to do this repair. As you can see, the damage on the back slope, manipulating those shingles just to do a repair to one shingle, was only causing more damage. I would say that this roof's unrepairable based off of, the damage that's only being caused trying to do a repair.